today with us is Julia Leichner from Design Akademie Berlin, Professor at Design Akademie Berlin.
What the idea of the workshop basically is to understand what the power of the human perspective is all about, and it's an exercise called Whose Life Is It? And basically you will dive into user worlds in a first step, understand the needs of people living in this world, and then in the third step then to understand how we can develop solutions and make the lives of these people better. So it's basically a threefold running through core elements of the design thinking journey in a very short time. Mm-hmm. And we've been using this kind of method very successfully with the goal to convince people who don't have a very limited amount of time why this approach is valuable. We were asked to do an activity with the top management, and we wanted to actually take them out into the user world to understand what people are going through in their everyday lives and how they're using a certain product. And then the actual security department told us, no, you cannot take the top management level out in the high rises in the outskirts of Berlin. Then it's the security guard coming along. And then we said, okay, that's not going to work. So we said, okay, let's visit the users up front, understand how they're living, and bring their environment into our lab. So basically, we recreated the environment of three personas, which we actually created into our lab. So we had actually 3 rooms, and then the managers had time to go in these rooms and explore particularly these spaces and understand who lives in this space. And take this as an inspiration to dig deeper and say, okay, so what are the needs of these people, and how can we help these people? Well, on one hand, I can see people who have never, ever been in touch with design thinking. So they maybe people who want a first-hand experience of what it's like to deep dive into user worlds. And then secondly, and that's basically, I guess, more the target group is people who need a strategy how to communicate what design thinking is about in order to set up a design thinking project. It's more of a understand why it's necessary to invest some time to go and see and meet the users and really kind of spend time in the field, basically.